Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, Taurus, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards here for your general energies. We have Six of Moons in reverse, Prophetess of Moons in reverse, and the Papas. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are still thinking about your past and worried, guys. You are thinking about your past person, maybe the person you were in love with, and you are worrying yourself. You are just wishing that things were different between you both, or things went differently between you both, and there were no troubles and pain you are seeing today in your situation. So this circumstance is really giving you a lot of pain and sadness. So you are just wishing that it ends, the pain you see with this person, with your past person, guys. So you may feel a lot of emotions today, and you are trying to find the truth, trying to find what went wrong. So you want to see things, your past maybe have clarity. So you are trying to understand your circumstances, guys. And maybe there is someone, or there was someone, and that person was the reason for some troubles in your relationship. Maybe they created the problems, or they started the problems. So someone you had trusted, someone you believed, so they were the reason for troubles in your relationship, guys. And today in your circumstances, you are trying to find the reason for what went wrong in your situation, and trying to understand, because you don't want to repeat those same mistakes again. So you are trying to learn from your past, get that knowledge and understanding. So what went wrong, if you know that, you will not repeat that again. So in your heart of hearts, you know the reason for the things that went in that negative way in your relationship, and the reason for that. So you may have some intuition guiding you, guys, Taurus, today in your relationship or in your personal life. So something is telling you what you need to do, and that may be the reason for this thought you are having. So you are thinking and trying to learn something from your situation, from your past situation. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have Moon in reverse. So with this card, guys, it just means that you may have a lot of thoughts, but it is true only from your point of view, guys. There is always another face of that coin. So, this truth is only your truth, your point of view. So, if you want clarity, you need to think of your circumstance from their point of view also, then find that understanding. But if you want to do that, you need a lot of patience, guys, Taurus. If you want clarity, you must be really patient today. That is what I see for your relationship, Taurus. So, for your career situation, we have 8 of stars in reverse. So, with this card in your circumstances today, guys, there may be some obstacles, something may not go as expected for you. So, you need to be really careful, guys. Maybe with people who are working with you, maybe though they are not good, though they are not efficient and they are not dedicated or devoted like you, if you cut your bond with them, maybe you throw them out of the job, you are going to land yourself in a more stressful circumstance. So you must think clearly, then make any important decisions today, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.